Hello and welcome to this video. We are going to have a look at one of the programs which explains how to append an element to a list. Now, let us start with this. We have a list. Let us call this as my list, and the elements of this list are 1, 2, 4, 8, 10. All are numbers, although we know that a list can have numbers or strings. And now I want to add this number 999 to this list. And supposing we write my LST is equal to my LST plus 999. Now it appears that what this particular line should do, what this particular statement should do is it should append the number 999 to the original list MILST, that is my list. It should append this number. Okay. And then in the last statement here, we are printing the list. Let us run this program and see what is the output. Well, you can see here we run into an error. We have here error, trace back, and it gives us the file name. The file is Python list quiz-001. And we have an error in line 4. We can see this is our line 4. So in this line, there is an error. And let us see what the error is. My LST is equal to my LST plus 999. And the type error can only concatenate list, not int to list. So what is happening in this statement? My LST is an object. It's a structure of type list. We are trying to append through this plus sign, we are trying to append the element 999 to this list. What we are expecting, let us write down here as a comment. Expected is the list 1, 2, 4, 8, then 10, and then this is what we were expecting, but instead we've run into an error. Now, what do we do with this? We must remember that we cannot append an integer to the list. What you can do instead is you can convert this number into a list. So 999, and now this becomes a list and you can append two lists together. So now when you run this code, let us clear this terminal window, and when you run this code, you can see here we have our concatenated list 1, 2, 4, 8, 10, and 999. So this tells you how you can append an element to a list. Of course, one can go and append even more elements. So you could say here my LST is equal to my LST plus. You can append more than one number. So you could have say 12, 45, negative 70. And now if you run the program, you will find that all these three numbers are appended to the original list. There we have our original list 1, 2, 4, 8, 10, 9, 99, and the numbers 12, 45, and minus 90. They have been appended to this list. So I hope this is clear how to append an element to a list. Thank you.